Hello everyone, hope you people are doing good. So guys, since prelims exam is over, many people are asking about strategy for mains. So that's why I have been doing this video. And in this video, we will see the subject wise strategy guys, so that you will get at least 330 plus marks out of 390 marks guys. So let us go through video. So regarding GS strategy, so guys, as I mentioned in the prelim strategy also, so while preparing for GS, you should always keep one thing in mind, that is you should never look for perfectionism guys, because the syllabus of GS is very vast and you don't know from where the question comes. So what you have to do is you should always look for the topics which they are asking frequently in the exam. So I already listed out the topics where they are targeting, and you should always target those topics only, so that first you should get average marks in GS. In my opinion, average marks means if you get 30 to 35 marks out of 75 in mains, that is average score. So first you should target for average score, and then you should target for decent score. Decent score means, in my opinion, if you get around 50 plus, that is decent score guys. First try for average marks and then go for decent score. So this is my suggestion guys, and getting average score in this section is more than sufficient for selection. The reason is, so let me show you breakup guys. So maths contains 90 marks, and reasoning contains 90 marks, English contains 135 marks, and GS contains 75 marks. So guys, if you get maximum marks in 3 subjects, let us say in maths if you get 80, in reasoning if you get 80, and in English if you get 125, and even if you get good score in other 3 subjects, and even if you get less score, that is let us say 35, that is average score in GS, then also your selection will be guaranteed, because you are getting how much, 160, here also how much, 160, means you are getting 320 means definitely you will get 4600 grade pay, in my opinion. So what you need to do is you have to look for excellence in other 3 subjects, that is maths, reasoning and English, and you should try for, I mean in the initial time you should try for average score in GS, and then once you are getting average score in the mock test in GS, then you should try for decent score, that is you should try for 50 plus, so that you will get, definitely you will be in the rank under 500 if you get 50 plus. So always keep this thing in mind guys. That's my sincere suggestion, and you should always focus on important topics only. So guys, in prelims I have started 40 days challenge guys. So many people are saying that was very much helpful for their prelims exam. So in the same manner I'm going to start very soon 60 days challenge I'm going to start. So I hope that will be very much helpful for the aspirants, because these 60 days challenge contains only important topics that they keep on asking in the exams, only important topics only. So I mean, so that you will definitely get average score. So you need to follow regularly to get the decent score in the GS. And the foremost thing in GS is revision on a periodic manner is must, because so let us say if you study festivals topic today, definitely if you don't revise you will forget after 10 days or 15 days. So what you have to do is, so whatever you have studied, you should revise at least 2 weeks once, or at least monthly once you have to revise. Then only it will stick in your mind forever. So that's my suggestion guys. So revision is very much important for GS. So coming to the topic wise weightage guys, so if you see current affairs, so 4 to 5 questions will be asked. So guys, for current affairs what you need to do is you need to prepare last 1 year current affairs. You need to prepare 1 year current affairs guys. I will provide one PDF, you should prepare that PDF. And my sincere suggestion regarding current affairs is only you should go for only one source only. So many people what they do is they go for multiple sources for current affairs, and at the end they could not retain anything. So what you need to do is you should go for only one source for current affairs, and you should revise at least 3 to 4 times before the exam, only that source only. And the second thing is static GK. So regarding the static GK, so I will provide the PDFs guys, that is 60 days challenge. So in that PDF, static GK will definitely be covered. And regarding biology, so guys, for biology what you need to do is you should always go for important topics only. So there will be some important topics like vitamins, diseases, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. So first you should target for these topics, and then you should go for other topics. The next thing is polity. So polity is scoring section for many aspirants guys, because in polity only there will be some articles will be there, some amendments will be there, fundamental rights will be there. So polity is very easy topic guys. So you should you can easily get, out of 3 to 4 questions you can easily get 3 questions correct guys. So regarding history, I already provided one PDF for prelims guys. For mains also I will provide one PDF. You should look for that PDF. And regarding geography, it will be covered in 60 days challenge guys, so no need to get worry. And physics is also very easy. So there will be some fixed topics like SI units. So you should go through those topics guys. And chemistry also the same. And economics, you should, my suggestion is you should leave economics guys, because so from the past 2 years what they have been doing is, so economics questions they are asking through NCRTs, they are asking from NCRTs. So that is only conceptual level only they are asking. So in my opinion, rather than investing time for these 1 to 2 questions, you should try for other subjects. So that's my suggestion guys. So these are the important topics for static GK, that is dances, folks and classical, festivals, national parks, biosphere reserves, Ramsar sites, related dancers, musical instruments, lakes, first in India, temples, Gharanas. All these topics I already provided for in Telegram channel. So once again we are going to revise the same PDFs for mains also, so that it will retain in your mind guys. So that's what my suggestion. So very soon we will start this 60 days challenge guys. So for the people who are new here, you can join the Telegram channel which is given in the description. You can join guys. Let us go for strategy for reasoning guys. In my opinion, reasoning is a very easy section. So but many people what how they do mistake is, they will take reasoning as lightly, and at the end they will do the silly mistakes. So what you have to do is, you should not take this subject very lightly. You should take this subject very seriously, and you should easily, if you prepare well enough, you can easily get 90 out of 90. So for this section what you need to do is, you should attempt daily sectional mock test. So daily you can attempt 30 questions in 30 minutes and check where you are lacking. So daily you should give sectional mock test, and don't think that reasoning is very easy section and I can prepare in the last 1 month. Don't think like that guys. You should, from the initial day onwards, you should write sectional mock test, so that you can attempt all the questions, 30 questions in the 30 minutes itself. So that's my suggestion. And in reasoning, you should give a special emphasis on few topics, that is the topics which are not present in prelims but present in mains. So you should focus on these topics, that is statement conclusion, data sufficiency, statement inference, sitting arrangement, statement and cause. So guys, the problem with these topics is, you should always think in the examiner point of view. For these questions you should, for these topics you should not think overly. You should not think overly, and you should not think less. So you need to think however examiner is thinking. So in that way, so the only possible solution for solving these questions is only practice only guys. So what you need to do is, you can take 2022 mains, 2023 mains from CGL and CHSL. So all these compilation I will provide in Telegram channel. First you should try to understand first you should know how to solve these kind of questions, and then you should practice as many questions as possible. So that is the only solution guys. And regarding conceptual clarity for these topics, that is statement conclusion, statement inference and statement cause, you can go through this channel guys, Endgame SSC. So in this channel they have clearly explained and they have given some examples also, so it will be very helpful. And regarding sitting arrangement, so sitting arrangement will be very easy only, but if you are a banking aspirant, it will be very easy. If you are not a banking aspirant, if you are only SSC aspirant, you should start solving sitting arrangement questions also. So that's why I am saying you should attempt daily one sectional mock test. So this is very very important guys. So many people, I know many people commit mistake in these topics only, that is statement conclusion, statement inference, sitting arrangement, these topics only, because remaining topics anyway they have you have covered in prelims. So and if time permits, you can prepare these topics also, that is calendar, clock and syllogism, because you never know when they are going to ask. So as of now they didn't ask in mains, but there is some possibility to ask these topics also, because they have included these topics in mains also. As I mentioned earlier, scoring 90 out of 90 is pretty much possible with practice only. So regarding topic wise weightage, so this is this is the topic wise breakup guys. So out of this data sufficiency, it is only present in mains. So and there will be two questions means 6 marks here. And apart from that, statement inference there will be one question, and statement cause there will be one question 3 marks, statement conclusion 3 marks, and cause and effect 3 marks. And apart from remaining all are syllogism 3 marks, so sitting arrangement 3 marks. So in my opinion, and inequality also 3 marks. So if you see here, these whatever I mentioned here, these topics are present in mains only, they are not present in prelims. So first you should try try to learn the concepts for these topics and then practice as much as possible, because these questions carry almost how many marks? 12, 15, 18, 21, 27 marks out of 90. So guys, if you prepare well enough for these topics, then only you can get 90 out of 90 in reasoning, otherwise it will be difficult. So if you get 85 plus also, that is more than sufficient guys. Let us go for maths guys. So regarding maths, what you need to do is, so in prelims, since because of lack of time you might not be able to cover few topics, so first try to complete the topics which you didn't complete for prelims, and you should complete all those topics in 30 days only, because we only left with 90 days. You should try to complete in 30 days, and remaining 60 days you can give it for practice or mock test. And the very much important thing is, you should try to complete probability and statistics. You should complete as much possible as you can. See, probability and statistics, what many people think is you can prepare in the last minute. So don't do that mistake guys. You should start learning the concepts for probability and statistics from now onwards, so that you will not miss anything in the last minute. Because from the last 2 years what they are doing is, they are asking very good questions from probability and statistics, and they are almost asking 3 to 4 questions from probability and statistics. So 3 to 4 questions means almost it carries 9 to 12 marks. 9 to 12 marks means it is good only. So in my opinion, probability and statistics, you should start learning the concepts from now onwards only. So, and I will provide the videos for these two topics, because the only difference between prelims and mains for syllabus is only probability and statistics only. So that's, you need to keep this in mind guys. And apart from this, what you need to do is, you should start solving previous year questions for CGL 2024 Tier 1, 23 Tier 1 and Tier 2. So CGL 2024 Tier 1, so whenever the answer key comes, I will start solving the Tier 1 papers as much as I will try to complete as soon as I can guys. 2024 Tier 1 I will solve it. 23 Tier 1 I already solved. Tier 2 also I will solve guys. So because you should solve all these recent papers at least 2 times before the exam, because there is very high chance to repeat the same kind of questions. In mains, the problem is for 30 questions you have 30 minutes. So if you should be familiar with variety of questions that they asked in the recent trends. So that's why you should solve all these questions at least 2 times before the exam, and note down the questions where you are lacking. So this is very important, guys. So for maths, what you need to do is you try to solve all the previous year questions and note down the questions where you are lacking and revise those questions as many times as possible, so that it will stick on your mind forever. The next thing is work on your weak area. So for example, let us see, you are taking more time on trigonometry questions, so you need to check why you are taking more time. So let us say in trigonometry you are doing like this: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So you need not to do write like this in the exam. Simply you can write like this: s square plus c square is equal to 1, so that you can reduce the time. So in that way you need to think, guys. So how to save the time. The next thing is try to focus on your calculation, because in 2024 tier 1 there are many calculation based questions came. So my suggestion is you should start focusing on calculation as much as possible, because you don't know how the paper will be. So the paper can be difficult in two ways only, guys. So one way they can make it tough through calculation, so another way they can make it tough through concepts. They can give some tough concepts. So in many cases the first case will only happen. So what they try to do is they will give the same concept as a previous year, but they will give the numbers difficult. They will make the numbers difficult, so that you will take more time for the exam. So what you need to do is you try to focus on calculation from now onwards only, so that it will be easy before the mains exam. Like calculation in the sense, you should be well aware of 1 to 30 tables and 1 to 30 not 30 1 to 50 squares and 1 to 30 cubes. So all these things you should have at your fingertips. So that's what. And we very soon we will start calculation based quizzes also, so that it will be helpful for you people. So regarding topic wise weightage for maths, so if you see here, the maximum questions they are asking for advanced maths only, that is geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, number system and algebra. So if you see here, guys, almost 14 questions means 50% almost covered from these 5 topics only. So these 5 topics at any cost you should try to become perfect. That's my suggestion, guys. And regarding other topics, so probability, so anyway probability and statistics you should give special emphasis, guys. 3 questions means almost 9 marks, and they are trying to make these questions difficult. So that's why you should give focus for these topics also. And remaining topics anyway you would have covered in prelims, because the same topics only, and all these topics covered in prelims, so you can revise those topics. Let us go for English strategy. So for English, guys, for grammar rules I have already provided 120 grammar rules in Telegram channel. So whoever new, you can join the Telegram channel, and once again we are going to revise those rules for mains also, so that it will be very helpful. So you can follow that 120 grammar rules. Apart from that, I will provide some more rules also, guys. And regarding vocabulary, what you need to do is, so you need to revise the vocabulary for all these years, like 1999 to 2023 in CGL papers, whatever they have asked, like antonyms, synonyms, one word substitutions and idioms. So all these PDFs I already provided in Telegram channel. I'm going to once again provide all these PDFs. So all these PDFs from 1999 to 2023 CGL questions for these topics, if you prepare, that will be more than sufficient for the vocabulary. And you should revise at least 3 times before the exam. because the same I have followed, and I got almost 127 marks out of 135, guys. So this is, I'm not boasting myself, so I'm telling how I prepared. And you should revise at least 3 times before the exam. And the foremost thing in the English is, you should always give special emphasis for these title, tone, theme for passage questions. So because many candidates know what is the difference between title, tone and theme, so that's why they commit mistake. So my sincere suggestion is, if you don't want to commit mistake, you should have good understanding over what is title, tone and theme, and then you should practice as many questions as possible. Then only you will become excellence. And I will provide a separate video regarding title, tone and theme, so that you will get clarity, guys. And regarding passage part, because in mains they are going to ask almost 4 to 5 passages, guys, because passage carries maximum marks in mains. What you have to do is, from now onwards, try to read English Madhyam article, daily article, and attempt passage questions. I will provide the link for that one. You can join that link, and you should attempt that passage questions, so that it will be very helpful for quick reading in the mains exam. And apart from that, there will be parasamples questions also. So guys, in mains definitely there will be 2 to 3 parasample questions which are at difficult level, in my opinion. So what you have to do is, you should start solving parasample questions from now onwards, and try to practice at least 20 parasamples, or if possible 10 to 15 parasamples from now onwards, and see whether you are committing any silly mistakes or not. So regarding topic wise weightage for English, guys, if you see here, for passage 12 questions means decent weightage only, and PQRS 6 questions, closed test 4. So reading part almost 22. Apart from that, fill in the blanks, voice, narration, error spotting, sentence improvement. So grammar they have given 13 weightage, idioms, one word substitution, spelling, antonyms, synonyms. So all these 10 questions. So trust me, guys, if you follow those 4 PDFs of previous year questions, definitely you will solve 9 questions very easily. It's my assurance, guys. And reading part, if you follow English Madhyam daily, definitely you will score out of 22, you will definitely get 21, guys. It's my assurance. And regarding grammar part, you have to I will provide some important rules. Apart from that, you have to study on your own. Some important rules you have to prepare on your own. So definitely, if you prepare English well enough, definitely you will score 127 plus, guys, in my opinion. Anything above 125 plus means it will be decent score only. And apart from this, there will be one more section, guys, that is computer section. So guys, computer section, I will provide one PDF in Telegram channel. So what you can do is, you can start studying from now onwards only. Don't think like at the last 1 month I will start and I will read. So that might not be possible. What you have to do is, start slowly from now onwards, so that you will not get tensed before the exam. This PDF, whatever PDF I will provide, try to complete at least 2 to 3 times before the exam, because many people, I have seen many aspirant, so in the previous year, in 2023 mains exam, so I have seen one candidate who got 342 marks out of 390, and he got disqualified in the computer because he got only 25 or 26 marks out of 60. So if you get 35 or 35 marks, definitely you would have got the dream job. So that's why don't take computer section as a lightly. This is my suggestion, guys. And apart from this, typing will also be there. So whoever is not familiar with the typing, so they should spend at least 15 to 20 minutes, if possible 30 minutes you should spend on this typing, guys, because typing is also very much important. So if you do good typing speed, then only you will be qualified and you will get your dream job. So this is my suggestion, guys. So I hope you people are clear, guys. So if you have any queries, you can put your query in the discussion group, guys. So that's it, the video, guys. So thank you very much. So if you people like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And for the new subscribers, whoever is new, you can join this Telegram channel, guys. So link will be available in the description. So thank you, guys. Bye bye, take care.